Hey you guys, today we're making orange cranberry cookies. This is a really simple recipe. It's great for this season. So I'm starting off by zesting one orange. I think I deleted the clip, but we're going to zest one whole orange and then we're going to use half of the juice from that orange. All right, next we're going to cream together our butter and our sugar. Then we're going to add in 1 egg and some vanilla. We're also going to add in our lemon zest and the juice of the lemon. Next, we're going to work on our dry ingredients. I have some flour. I'm going to add some baking soda, baking powder, and salt. All of the measurements will be in the description box. And then I'm just going to get all the dry ingredients incorporated. All right, so next we're going to combine the two. I'm going to use half of the dry mixture, give that a good mix, and then add the other half. All right, I do have my oven preheated to 350. I'm going to lastly add in the cranberries and use a spatula and just make sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl. And then I'm going to wrap this in some saran and let this chill in a refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Just wanted to tell you guys I appreciate you for watching, whether you are new or returning. Please make sure you subscribe, turn on that notification bell so you won't miss an upload from me. All right, so I'm taking the dough out, and on a lined cookie sheet, I used about a tablespoon size and rolled them into balls. I baked them for about 8 to 10 minutes on 350. And of course, these are perfect for the holiday season, perfect for Thanksgiving. I love cranberry, I love orange, and they go really good together. If you guys try this one, let me know as always. Hope you guys are getting some ideas for Thanksgiving, and I will catch you in the next one. Talk to you later. Bye.